bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the star.
Okay, you guys, if you want to see how I got this look, please stay tuned for the rest of the video and make sure you follow my Instagram at queen_gatia. Okay, so I'm about to get started with this tutorial. You like my cat ears? Thank you. So I'm just brushing my brows up first. Just make sure they all neat and everything. I already got the other one did, as you can see. I just wanted one side to have the fishtail because I thought it was dope. So I'm taking this white liner and I'm going to start applying it where I want my swoop to start. Okay, so right here I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer and I'm about to place it over the white line that I just drew. That's going to help it look more opaque when I put my concealer on, because you need to make it look like you don't have any hair there, even though we all know you still have your whole eyebrow.
If I got a cup of nigga, he gon' take a knee. Say, little bitch, you can't fuck with me if you wanted to.
Okay, now I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills and I'm gonna start filling in my brows like I normally do. Except with this one, I'm going to start swooping it up. Swoop, swoop. You see that? Swoop. I'm just playing, girl. Oh my god, I got that from Summerella. And don't be so heavy-handed when you draw your swoop on, because I made mine a little too damn square. Like it looked like the corner of a square, and I didn't like that, so I I fixed it though. I made it look a little less angled and it worked out. Okay, so now I'm adding on some regular black eyeliner to the tail end because the Anastasia Beverly Hills was not dark enough and I wanted to make sure that the ends of my eyebrows were sharp.
If you wanted to, these expensive, these is red bottom, these is bloody shoes. Hit the store, I can get them both, I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick to cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Little bitch, you can fuck me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these are bloody shoes. Hit the store, I can get them both, I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick to cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable.
Okay, we finished with that headache. So now I am taking some gold glitter liner from RubyKisses and I'm just like highlighting my brow bone with it because I want to do something different than everybody. And instead of highlighting the brow bone normally on this one, I just swooped it up with the tail.
If you wanted to, these expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the star, I can get them both, I don't wanna choose.
Okay, yes, so I am almost done with this look. I'm about to go pop on some lashes. Boom, there they go. What you thought? Yes. So those are my babies. Those are Koko lashes and I have so many pair that I do not know the name right now, but I will put it in the description bar for you if you want to know the name. But also, before you guys say anything, I did not put on foundation at all for this video because I just wanted to focus on the eyebrows. This actually took me about 15 minutes start to finish, just doing it off the top of my head. So yeah, just please let me know if I did a good job, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Mwah.